being sad, but I want it so bad. I'm growing up and I'm 19, but I don't give a cause I'm finding I don't wanna be young, rich and sad, but I wanna be so bad.
Which one should I do first?
Whatever you pick, so.
I don't.
Alright, I'll do it. I'll hand it to
Okay.
you. I'll hand it to you.
Too small. Okay. I think it's closed. Is it a sweatshirt? Is it Dad's?
It's like
It's
mine.
like it's like Dad's. You like big sizes?
I like
Do
it.
you like it?
Yeah, thank you.
I pick her present.
Okay, pick one.
Do you know what that one is?
Gonna hold
I
this for a
forgot.
second.
I used to know. My brain go apart.
It's
Okay, now I
LED
remember.
lights.
Now I remember.
Woohoo!
Yay.
There should be a lot in there.
Thank you.
Wait, let me see the cover.
Oh,
That's the smart LED strip so that they can be reacted to noise.
There should be 3.
There's 355. I can put it all around my room. Thank you. Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here and say that I'm not going to enter the rest of the footage just because the next video I have up will be what I got for my birthday haul. So I'm just not going to leave any more of it in, but that's just a sneak peek of what I got.
Yeah. I don't want this like seriously catch fire.
Okay. Hold on.
It's a candle. There's only 14 there.
Okay, smile first. Watch out your hair. Okay, let's sing.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophie. Wait, why am I singing myself? Birthday to you.
And we got it all on camera.
That's so funny. It was so pretty, and now it's so dead. Oh, it's like.
Yeah, don't put it back over the cake.
Here.
Don't put it back over the cake. Don't put it back over the cake. You guys need to be asleep by lights out by like 10 o'clock, right?
No. You never let me do that.
I
You
know.
never make me do that. And why are you doing it?
Why
this
are
is
you
her
making me-
15th birthday.
Exactly.
Let her stay up all night. It's her 15th birthday.
I think she should stay up to 10 for 10 years.
Oh my gosh.
Dad thinks she's
The
10.
audacity. Mom,
Dad thinks she just.
what time? No time. It's whatever time we get tired and go to bed. Like we always
Just
do.
don't be so
Oh,
loud. Just don't
okay.
be so loud that you annoy us. That's
Oh, no,
the
yeah.
rule.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
literally your only
and
rule.
Don't leave the house.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Yeah, so it was like a
Zoe.
thank you card, and it was like, well, happy birthday, Zoe.
Oh my gosh, I love it still though.
Yeah.
I get the struggle to find a good card, and going to the
I know.
store is overpriced everywhere. It's like $7 a card. Like
Exactly, when you can literally just make your own.
exactly, and that means more to the person because
I know.
it's from you. Like you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, I spent so much time, like, I think an hour to and a half.
To do this.
Half an hour to an hour. Yeah.
So do you want me to start?
Yeah, go. Here, I'll move your plate.
Oh my gosh.
Annie, no. Okay, you have to smell it. Yeah, so
Oh my
at
gosh.
Bath and Body Works, there was like a free cello, which is the bag and the ribbon
That's so
with
cute.
each purchase, you know?
I'll show you guys. Sorry.
So it's like,
So you got the thing?
yeah, I got it. And I was like, she's like, they were like, don't forget to ask about your free cello. And then that's how you use so much.
Oh my gosh.
You got me so
Oh, what are these?
Those are a bunch of gummies. I was at the candy store and I literally forgot. I didn't realize that you would purchase them by the weight. So I was just like grabbing them all, and then I go and I see the weight thing. I was like, oh, that's how you pay for it.
Yeah.
You can open it up. There's like another bag inside.
Thank you so much.
I just had to use the other little gift.
I
bag
love
thing.
gummies. They're one of my favorite types of candy ever.
That's
Is
one
this
thing I got from her too.
Is this a necklace?
Yeah.
I love this. It's my style. It's
I
literally
know.
my style.
They're butterflies.
She knows me so
I know.
well. Like
That's the thing. I was like, oh, Oh, I could get one too for me, and we could like match.
Oh yeah.
That'd be so cute.
That is so adorable. Like, that's my style. I love that. Thank you. Oh my gosh! It's a rat gummy. We have
okay.
So this one.
Yeah, this is the one I think.
Look at it.
You're
Well, I don't know what
really
it
gonna
is.
like it.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna have to.
It's Baby Yoda. It's Baby Yoda. What? I love this so much. This is so cute. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I knew you would like it.
I love it. I love Baby Yoda so much.
You know.
Thank you. Yeah, look.
Oh, it's.
I know.
She got me Baby Yoda.
It's so much bigger than I thought.
Oh no, yeah.
That's the coolest ever!
Really cool gift.
It was at Hot Topic. There's like also like little pins and stickers and stuff. I was like, I'll just get her this stuffed animal.
It's really cute. You like it?
I
She's
love it.
Awesome.
She also got, you know how we call each other rat sisters? She got me a rat gummy.
Oh, that's cute.
And like a candle.
Oh
She's
yeah, you
so
should really
nice.
smell your candle. It's sugared snickerdoodle. It smells so good.
Hold your rat. Oh my gosh.
It smells like
I feel
heaven.
like I could eat that.
I know, right?
Give him what you want and you can have me.
You can stand.
I can't undo. I was running far away, would I run off the world someday? Take me home where I belong. We were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 20 years old.
Why do I look like this? How do you not know?
Why is it a rectangle?
I don't know.
Hey guys, in the next couple of clips we're going to be laughing at an audio of Gwen's friend named Quinn singing, and he was singing Call Me Maybe, and it was really funny, and I just wanted to give you guys some context so you understand why we're all laughing, and yeah.
That's Quinn.
And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with the call, I took no time with the phone.
Like,
Crazy.
people like you. Okay, I'm gonna go and draw it. Oh no, already.
Yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. And I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you're taking home. I just wanted to say goodbye. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a job. And Franklin's scared as hell. I'm at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star.
Sounds so dumb.
And now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing but who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love's kiss is not it. I'm eating a pickle! I used to hold me. Look out the window of my past life. I've always had to control things. In the end, it's what controls me.
It's like I'm exposing myself when I use this.
Hey, hey, needless to say, I'm keeping her check. She was a bad, but nevertheless, I must have stuck by her. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Still, I get so hesitant. Yeah.
What? You shouldn't have to do me like that.
It's so romantic in Paris. Thought I was sure that I found it, but I already
Hey guys, so I actually forgot to film an outro, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had an amazing birthday, and I didn't get too much footage, but I did try to record some, and I was just focusing on spending time with the people I love and not shoving a camera in everyone's face, you know what I'm saying? But I love you guys so much, and a birthday haul, like what I got for my birthday, is coming up soon, probably in a couple days after when you're seeing this, so get ready for that. And I'm doing vlogmas, so yeah, love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll shut up now. Peace. I almost did that, but peace.